Okay children, good morning everyone. So, we completed our EVS lesson number 1, migration and its effects. Okay, so everyone are having class works with you now. So, now I am going to write spell words on the board. So, copy it neatly. So, now we come to 5th class children. Everyone have to write the classwork and homework everything with pen, not with pencil. Okay, take one blue pen and write heading. Before writing heading now, write today's date and lesson number 1. What is lesson number 1 heading children? Migration and its effects. Write on pink line heading migration, very big heading have right children, and its effects. Okay, so after writing that, this you should write on the pink lines. Next, coming to the next slide, put Roman number 1 and write heading spell words. Okay, so after that, leave one line and write the first word, migration. For every word, first letter should be right for capital letter children. So write down first letter, migration, M-I-G-R-A-T-I-O-N, migration. Next, second one, effects, E capital letter, E-F-F-E-C-T-S, effects. Third one, displacement, D-I-S-P-L-A-C-E-M-E-N-T, displacement. Next, fourth one, movement, M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T, movement. Fifth one, another, A-N-O-T-H-E-R. Next, sixth one, sometimes, S-O-M-E, some, T-I-M-E-S, sometimes. Okay, next, seventh one, education, E-D-U-C-A-T-I-O-N, education. Next, eighth one, employment, E-M-P-L-O-Y-M-E-N-T, employment. Ninth one, conflicts, C-O-N-F-L-I-C-T-S, conflicts. Next, 10th one, earthquakes, E-A-R-T-H, earth, Q-U-U-A-K-E-S, earthquakes. Okay, so each and every word, copy it neatly. Now, shall I write the word? After this, next, 11th one, continue children. Write down, tsunami, T silent here, T capital letter, T-S-U-N-A-M-I-S, tsunamis. Next, 12th word, economic, E-C-O-N-O-M-I-C, economic. 13th one, transferable, T-R-A-N-S-F-E-R-R-A-B-L-E, transferable. Next, 14th one, difficulties, D-I-F-F-U, so D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T-I-E-S, difficulties. Next, 15th one, suitable, S-U-I-T-A BLE, suitable. Over. Next. 16th one, temporarily. TEMPORARily, temporarily. 17th one, permanently. PERMANENTLY, permanently. Write neatly children all these words. 18th one, migrants. MIGRANTS, migrants. Next. 19th one, barriers. BARRIERS, barriers. Some conditions. Okay. Next. 20th one, political. POLITICAL, political. Okay. After copying this, next continue. Some more 10 words. So all together 30 spell words in lesson number 1. Okay children, 30 spell words in lesson number 1. So one time you have to copy it in the classwork and 2 times each word have to write in the homework book. Now write down 21st one, environmental. ENVIRONMENTAL, environmental. Okay, next environmental after 22, immigrants. IMMIGRA, immigration. TION, immigration. Next 23rd one, international. INTERNATIONAL, international. Next 24th one, emigrants. EMIGRANTS, emigrants. Next 25th one, documents. DOCUMENTS, documents. Okay, last 5 words. 26th one, stamp. STAMPED. 27th one, arrival. ARRIVAL, arrival. Now 28th one, financial. FINANCIAL, financial. Now 29th one, visitors. VISITORS, visitors. Last word, 30th word, business. BUSINESS, business. Like that 30 words children you will be getting, typing, clipping through WhatsApp to your mobile. So copy these all 30 words neatly in the classwork and write each word 2 times as a homework. Okay.